You go get that ball. Look at you. Good girl.
Good girlie. Yeah. Oh, okay. Those were my fingers, but all right.
Yeah, Chrissy, she can't tell when she has you
All right.
now. Go ahead and...
Well, she did that. Did you see it?
See, no.
Can you find it? We're going to get close eventually.
There you go. Oh, it's got grass on it. I don't think the grass was the problem. I think it was more the... Yeah, watch your fingers, honey.
It's all right.
She can't really tell. It's closer to me on the side. Right there, you got it. I know. Mama's watching you. Whoa.
Honey, you don't have to underwater retrieve it. Good girl.
Good job.